the Brawl Stars. I don't know why I was struggling to get the name down. But in the last episode, I unlocked Jesse. Hey, Jesse. Copyright.
Yep, you got Joe.
It feels like a party every day. Hey, 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 copyright. There you are. Just will fix it. Can you stop dying?
You must be a cross.
So, wait, what kind of game is it?
Jump and grab.
Let me look at they put up with illiterate idiots.
But I'm entirely right. Literally,
Yeah,
like I
but
remember one
still.
time, two people were in the middle trying to get gems. I lobbed my super on them, both of them dead.
Yeah, but what the hell is this bullcrap? What is? Well, at least we got a tick on our team.
I'm gonna kill the barley.
I died. Oh my gosh.
2 HP right now.
Oh god. I just saw that. I caught that. See, this is Jesus Christ.
Give me gems. Give me gems. Give me gems.
With the one gem you had.
Give me gems.
Damn you. Oh god, I am getting obliterated.
Give me gems.
Oh no.
I like my gems.
We are losing so.
My name is.
God, stop!
My name is Load.
My name.
This is
Oh God! I am. Come here! Ah! My fault. Hey,
That's your fault that I got that.
you're telling me it's my fault that I died?
Yeah.
But it was basically DOA to the spot. Oh!
Your fault.
This is my first time using Jesse. So I don't know if you're expecting me to be good.
Short fuse.
Showdown.
Showed. I knew it. There was a Rayzilla. Okay, I'll go over there.
There's an Edgar. Oh, there's a bull. There's who is that? There's such Surge.
Go here.
Surge.
Nice one,
and
idiot. You got
Surge,
killed by a
there's Surge.
Poco.
There is a Surge in here.
Dead Surge.
Ah! What even just happened? We got like ambushed. What was that noise? Yeah, also later today I'm gonna make a BTD Battles 2 video for one of the series I'm gonna make. All of that. Yeah, also my charger stopped breaking, that's why I wasn't making videos, cause there was like a charger by somewhere in the room. We should not, I don't know if we should kill them. Or at least I don't know if we should attempt.
You really just got hit by my gadget?
I'm getting shot with nuts and shot by nuts and bolts.
I almost killed that Colt.
Almost.
I'm gonna give you the bomb tree mode.
The bomb? Did you say the bomb treatment? Nuts and bolts! Ugh! I'm getting.
You're actually Pam's child.
Yes.
Is that considered child abuse?
I mean,
Oh God!
if you're shooting nuts and bolts at your own child,
Nuts and bolts at your own child.
Banjo-Kazooie nuts and bolts.
Your foot.
What, my father, we were bombarded?
Fortnite.
I literally got bombarded with nuts and bolts.
Nuts and bolts.
Nuts and bolts and nuts and... What you just say?
My nuts and bolts.
Can you turn on your volume?
My nuts and bolts. Nuts and bolts, my nuts and bolts.
Oh my gosh. Why isn't the game starting finally?
Canary.
Oh god, Spike.
You like my canary?
Stu.
Dude.
You worked with Stu, so I know how good Stu is.
Dude, it's Strude. Blah 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 blah.
Let's go, Jesse.
Terra. Altaria. Altaria.
That's a Pokemon. Altaria is a Pokemon.
Monkey.
I'm back.
Die.
Trying to get. Oh!
No, wait. I want to live. No. Not fair. At least you didn't lose anything. I lost 5 true pens. I don't know what.
I have not gained a single trophy yet. Nuts and bolts.
Nuts and bolts, right? Nuts and bolts.
Oh, there's like multiple boxes in it. Oh wait, you're going over there.
Hey, that's mine! No!
There's a bull.
Stop! No me.
Football.
It's a Rago. It's a Rago.
It's a dead Ricket. Oh.
It's a Rago.
It's a dead robot.
Dead robot. Hey, brothers, I'm gonna do the honcho.
Jeez. Soccer bomb.
Shimmy, yeah.
What?
I'm carrying around my
Your soccer bombs from Super
ball.
Bomb Survival on Roblox.
No, I saw someone in there.
I just got
It's football.
like
No contrary.
you said no contrary.
No contraries. No contradiction.
Listen here, I swear, Jesse, and your salmon-tailed gun.
Salmon-tailed.
What the? Like where it literally looks like a salmon tail. Not that I know what a salmon tail looks like, but I think that's what a salmon tail would look like. You know, if it were metallic, robotic, like metallic metal. Yeah. There's no boxes except. There is a Lola that is. I was gonna say there is a Lola that is AFK. There's a jet. Die! Dead.
I literally just hit him with my super boost.
Yeah.
Like,
You almost killed the man.
Someone in that bush probably is. Gotta be careful.
Don't.
Plus people over there. They try to team. No.
They are on the same team.
No, they want to team with us.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
No. They do have a long way to be careful. Plus that crow.
Why do people even try to team?
Look,
Don't mess with my crow.
Don't go there, it's too dangerous.
It wasn't letting me go the other way.
I see some funny twingsters.
What did you just say?
Hey, you're making really. I'm gonna attack you. No, don't close the wall. Why did you do that?
Because I didn't know what was gonna happen.
Hey,
listen. I'm not a Brawl Stars expert.
Whoa. I almost killed you.
You could have killed him if you didn't retreat. You almost hit him, but I would have laughed if you did.
Well, they were Bugs Bunny.
Oh God!
Bugs Bunny.
He just freaking like
No,
look,
wait, I have a hero.
he just Macho Man Randy Savage elbow dropped me.
Oh my God! You have put the pieces.
Why are we not one yet?
Oh man.
You are.
Blah blah blah. Blah villager. I would like to minus.
What are we even talking about? This is not even related to what we're. What the hell is that? Oh, there's an 8-bit there.
8-bit. What did I just say?
Ah!
I want hot chows. Ah!
Bro, you.
Bro. Macho Man.
We need to win.
Macho Man.
Or at least get like third, second, or first.
Macho Man.
That's
I want the Macho Man.
Macho Man. Why do we only have one cute?
Mayman.
Wait. There might be someone. There might be someone in the bush. Go Diego. Go Diego. Go. Let me get this. Screw you, Gail.
Diego. You like Diego.
That's a lot of bombs.
Diego. You like Diego, fool? Oh, that's unfortunate for 8-bit. That's very unfortunate for 8-bit.
My elbow's itchy. Oh God. Oh.
God, like
We're like.
I killed the buzz.
Ah, it's a bow.
It's Honcho Man.
It's.
You like Honcho Man. You love Honcho Man.
Oh, we won. Finally.
I literally trapped him up against the gas at 700 health.
We finally won. That was.
I literally pinned him against the poison with 720 health. That's how much health he had. With my super right in front of him. Yeah. He had.
Oh wait, I gotta go to the bathroom. All right, you ready?
No. Big boss.
What?
Start.
You're not even ready.
I'm ready. Oh, steady.
You didn't even realize you weren't ready.
So we learn.
Oh God.
Me.
Where's my? I got it for us.
Edgar.
Hold on, wait.
Oh God. Macho Man.
You almost killed him in one shot.
Macho Man. Macho. Stop it.
Time to get constructive. No, not going over there.
I'm going out. I cleaned it for us. I threw bombs over there. No, this one's over there. I had to go over here where the fighting is happening. I want that. No. That's right. I want to kill this guy.
Let's go pull. Oh, wait. I almost just got killed. Dude, No.
There's no. Stay there. Don't try to go for anybody or you will die.
1, 2, 1.
I
I won't let me move. don't get trophies though.
Me, I got 0 trophies.
Oh, I got 4. I don't know why you don't get any trophies. Why are you going over there?
That's why. Actually, I almost killed these people. Die! No, aim at the people. I almost killed people over there in that bush.
Oh god.
Yeah, I almost killed those people. No, don't try.
Ah! Okay, yeah, not trying now. You know, since there's a Shelly.
Alright, come on.
Need us. No!
Don't get
Ah! I literally am almost dead.
Me Pacho Man. Me Pacho.
You gotta try that thing that you did with your super.
I am.
Oh, that's.
I want it, no! Me.
I'm back.
Macho Man.
Oh, behind you.
Poco. Oh, I obliterated him.
Yeah.
Alright, I obliterated the Nita.
Easy.
Bro,
That was an easy one that we got right there.
did you see the way I hit Poco? I hit him with one attack.
Dead instantly.
Really? Play again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at me with my wrench.
I literally, the way I obliterated Poco and Nita.
Yeah.
Brain damage.
Because then it's double the shots and double the damage.
Yeah, especially if you have 10 to 11 cubes.
Yeah. That'll auto well.
Yeah.
We just spawned in like many.
Man, we spawned in a sucky spot.
Yeah, we have to actually walk to get to our ult.
Look at the eyes, Tico. They never Tico.
Nuts and bolts. She's more health than us, so I think. Oh, it's Pam and Colette.
Poem and Kale.
She's trying to shoot nuts and bolts at us. B and who is that? Buzz. B and Buzz are on the same team.
Just a try shot, don't try it.
No, not trying that.
No. Wait, come over here.
Oh, I almost hit one of them.
Save her. Will he heal up? Then I have this.
Oh, nice. People are gonna die.
Be ready to fight. Ah!
Jesus.
Oh, I got broke to 8,000 health. No. Tico. We both got 0 trophy.
Yeah.
Primo.
What the hell? Can you stop dying? I mean, you're not literally dying. I mean, it's just a joke that we have, but still.
Boneless with chicken wings.
Alright, let's hope nobody actually is near this box. I just saw. Who's that?
Quick, I didn't see.
That's Mr. P.
What?
Brawl Stars Mr. P, not Piggy.
That's
no printer.
That's a purple potato.
Do you think we should go for Mr. P?
I don't know. Get in the bush. Stay and hide. Hey, little buddy.
Oh wait, he has his super, right?
Yeah. Little buddy.
Yeah, dude.
Uncle Podgy. Wait. Johnny, there's someone trapped over here. It's the
Mortis.
Quick.
Do your best.
Johnny.
He's Well, we were third. If I'm correct.
Yeah, I got truth.
Same.
Play again.
After this, let's do Super City Rampage, and then one more showdown match.
No, this Super City Rampage isn't here. In 2 days, big game will be here. There's a big brawler and the tiny.
Okay, well then after this, let's do 2 Brawl Ball games. Those will be the final games.
Yeah, but for Brawl Ball, I'm going to be Dynamite. That's the best choice.
Alright.
Right, Fox.
You're an expert, so you should know this. So I'm gonna trust you on this one.
Alright, there's people down here. So if we just get this box and then go,
yeah.
We're good. Alright, this way. Make sure there's no people.
Oh god. Brrr. Yeah, yep. There was an edge of that bush, and if I went any further, I would have been poisoned by cologne or spray.
Yeah, listen.
Oh, we just got melted. That's what you call a dissection right there. Alright.
That's what me call
Why does Ola have such sharp teeth?
Me running for the brawl. Ball. What?
Don't ever do that. Ow! Don't ever do that voice again.
Oh. Bryce literally stunned him in the middle of the battlefield.
I just got.
You got Puchichi punch.
Alright. So, someone go far up ahead. I'm gonna out or not. I was gonna throw it.
Me do punchos.
You just threw it to El Primo. I saw that.
No. But whenever you have the ball, you can't attack. So he threw it to El Primo so he could kill him, and El Primo couldn't fight back.
Oh yeah, actually, ow!
There's the ball.
Oh!
Die.
Alright, I'm gonna throw the ball. Is that
El
fine?
Primo in there.
Should I throw the ball so that they can't attack?
Hold on.
Yeah, throw that ball.
That's right.
Oh, I was trying to do a smart one. I was trying to be a smart boy. I'm already back though, so like they won't be. Yeah, Bro, you just got pelted. Nope. She didn't even go for the ball. She just she's dead. She can't.
Yeah, she got killed by me.
But before she died, she didn't even go for the ball.
Man, try it. I literally put my super on the ball.
Oh god, baby's here.
Baby.
I have my super.
Stop. Me don't like ponchos, man. I like the ponchos.
My sentry's down.
Nice.
I have the ball. Protect me. BB's coming.
BB. Get him.
Ah! Got him.
Throw the ball away. Okay.
Wait, do you want me to throw it now?
I'm in control. I'm coming.
Ah!
Go, quick. Go.
Oh God.
He's stunned. He's stunned.
I don't have the ball anymore.
No.
No.
What's man supposed to do when he has a man to do? Quick. Guys, do the defending. We can get it overtime.
Oh, I just got murdered.
Yes.
Never.
Kill her.
No. Dang it.
We're losing trophies. I need to get to 600 big shot.
Yeah, let's press play again.
If I get 600 trophies, I'll become a big shot.
What are you talking about?
Oh, expansion. Buy his free, get his free Kroger.
Oh, it's a Brock.
Do they have a dynamite or a thrower?
It's a They have a Brock.
They have an El Pronto.
I don't know if that's bad for us. Yep.
They're doing the.
No! I got it! So that.
Oh, still do.
You
You
just
idiot!
walked in!
You idiot!
You just let him walk in!
Nice one, Ponchos. Poncho be Poncho. Ah!
Go! No one saw that. We definitely didn't lose in like 3 minutes. I mean, like 2 seconds. What is 8-bit doing? One last match. One more match. Shut up. James, what are you doing? Oh, okay. Don't ever.
Here you go. I gotta. Oh.
Imagine if Brawl Stars was on Switch.
Brain hemorrhage. I like it.
Brain hemorrhage? Did you just say brain hemorrhage? Ah! Oh god. Shouldn't have done that.
I like bees.
Hey.
Ponchos.
Jeez.
Ponchos, man.
You bombed her.
Ponchos.
You just airstriked her.
Man, why did that?
You airstriked Anita. Don't let him get away.
Hey, boys, get you. Idiot. Die. No.
I'm back. Yep, and now he retreats.
I survived the Mortis. Yes.
Mortis.
Get back here, brother.
Mortis.
He's faster than us.
Mortis, you about to be transported.
I literally almost killed the 8-bit and then he got. Oh.
Up. Alright, Edgar's in there, I assume.
Edgar.
Up. Okay.
Trying to get close to you.
No! She's dead. Oh! Oh!
One more round. Since you lost with your Brawl one.
Nah, that's fine.
Okay. One more time, please.
What the hell's... Oh. Yes! I won. Well, actually, we won, but...
Having a heart attack.
That was fun. That was actually really, really fun.
Nah, little ponchos.
Bye.